How to add or remove a cart on Walmart application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can add or remove cart on Walmart application. So without further delay, let's get started. Open the Walmart application on your device. Then tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. Before that, make sure that you're logged in into your Walmart account. Once you're here, tap on the settings icon at the top right. From here, select Wallet. Now, in order to add your card, tap on the credit or debit card options available there. Then you have to enter your card details. So enter all of the information such as card number, expiration date, CVV number, your first name, last name, phone number, and also your billing address. Once you're done with that, tap on Save Card. Now you have added your card on Walmart and you can use that during the checkout. Now if you want to remove a cart, what you have to do is again navigate to the same section under Wallet. Go to Account, head over to Settings and head over to Wallet. So if you have added any of the card, you will see or you will find your card right under this section. So you have to select the card that you wish to remove. There, tap on the Edit or Remove or Delete option next to it, then confirm your removal. That will delete your cart from your Walmart and Walmart Pay, and it will no longer be available for future purchases. So that's it. That's how you can add or remove a cart on Walmart app, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.